Unlock the secret, looking 10 years younger with old school new body. Did you know age doesn't have to determine how you look? Discover an unconventional method to define aging and rejuvenate your body. Don't fall for the myth that turning 40 means embracing wrinkles and fatigue. Unveiling the truth, we're here to show you how to turn back time. With old school new body, we've distilled essential nutrients and effective workout plans. These are specifically designed to combat accelerated aging. Don't let your body age an extra 6 months each year. With our program, you can look not only your age, but even younger. Experience a transformation. Say goodbye to premature aging. Welcome a healthier, more youthful you, teeming with energy and glowing with vitality. Join us today, turn the tide against aging. Embrace old school new body, and redefine what it means to age gracefully.